Long answer type question, chapter 8, class 5th. Children, question number 1. Briefly write about how igneous rocks are formed. Come to its answer. Volcanic igneous rocks are formed from lava, which comes out from inside the earth through volcanic vents. On fast cooling, the lava forms three types of rocks, and these are pumice, obsidian, and basalt. Pumice, obsidian, and basalt rocks are formed by fast cooling of lava, while on slow cooling, the rock form is called granite. Granite rock is formed by slow cooling of lava. Now come to question number 2. Question is, before petroleum was discovered, what was the most important fossil fuel? Briefly write about it. Now come to its answer. Before petroleum was discovered, coal was the most important fossil fuel. It is formed from the remains of dead plants and animals, buried in the earth over millions of years. Due to heat from the interior of the earth and the pressure, these got converted into coal. And coal is hard, black in color, and rich in carbon. Types we have studied already. Write 4 points of how to conserve our natural resources. Now come to its answer. Following points to conserve our natural resources. First one is, use minerals carefully. Do not waste them. Don't waste minerals. Use them carefully. Second is, stop the engine of the vehicle at red light. At red light till the signals don't get green. Stop the engine of the vehicle. Come to third point, switch off the gas stove immediately after finishing cooking. And fourth one is, replace the use of fossil fuels by renewable sources of energy like solar, water, or wind energy. Instead of using coal and petroleum, we have to use solar energy, water energy, or wind energy. Children, question number 4. Make a table of igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks with their uses and properties. Whatever we know about these three types of rocks, we have to write about them. Now come to its answer. Igneous rocks. These rocks are formed from cooling of magma deep inside the earth. Second point is, pumice, basalt, and granite are its type. And third point is, they are used for making stone utensils, scrubber, flooring of buildings, and to test the purity of gold. This is about igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed through the solidification of sediments. Limestone, sandstone, shale, conglomerate, dolomite are its types. Children, you can write many more points if you know about these types of rocks. Third point about sedimentary rocks. These are used for making of bricks, glass, tiles, grinding stones, ornamental stones, etc. Now the next type of rocks are metamorphic rocks. These rocks are formed when sedimentary and igneous rocks undergo changes due to heat or pressure. Marble, slate, quartzite, gneiss. These are the types of metamorphic rocks, and these rocks are used for making utensils, statues, flooring, tiles, blackboards, etc. Question number 5. How is petroleum formed? What are the various things that we get from it? Come to its answer. Petroleum, it is formed by the remains of dead plants and animals covered by sand and clay under the ocean bed over millions of years. Many fuels like petrol, kerosene, diesel, LPG, etc. are extracted from petroleum. Paraffin wax, printing ink, lubricating oil, medicines, and asphalt. These are also extracted from petroleum. Petroleum, this gives us many useful and valuable products, and that's why it is also called black gold.